What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my world, oh my precious attacking boss, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. What happened to these ladies nowadays? Who no. What happened to these ladies nowadays? I don't know. They are getting confused or they are getting tricked. They're doing all type of things to their body nowadays. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Whoa, attacking boss. What was she doing with that stick? She pushed the stick right up in her pum pum. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. She was bubbling, she was whining, and that stick, she put that stick right up in her tun-tun. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK attacking boss. Blessings, my viewers and subscribers, wherever you are around the world. Jamaica, Bahamas, Barbados, Turks and Caicos, Dominican Republic, Haiti, anywhere you them people, USA, Canada, you understand, England, the world world, the world works, Trinidad and Tobago, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, Montserrat, Cayman Islands, Belize, you understand, anywhere on the day in the world, my people, and if you don't hear your country, big up on yourself, same way, because you don't know the thing we represent for everybody right around the world, the globe, attacking boss, the whole African fans, them, big up, see? So, my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, yeah, the attacking boss chanting and singing, people. I'm not showing shades, I'm not showing word at nobody, my people. See? But, what more I say now, my people, fix this attacking straight, people. You ever see a pickaxe stick before? Pickaxe, you know pickaxe? You ever see, hoe, you know a hoe where you use at the farm to plow stuff? You ever see that stick there before? Well, look, let me attack original stick. Me not attack no stick when a man go cut in the bush and making them. Me attack one way you can buy way well shave and nice and smooth and pretty people. You understand? I show me inside, so I don't have none in the outside people. You know what I mean? I should have bring one inside. That I should have do before. Bring one inside and show you in the video. Anybody who don't know it. Because something some people don't know. It's real. You understand? Some people just don't know. Well, pickaxe stick. Or you want to say, you understand, a hoe stick, or you know a stick where normally you're using the form that you push on the tool, because you have some tool, they only have the blades, you have to use a stick, and you purchase those sticks at a hardware, you understand, or something like that, or a farm store, and boom, nice stick, well varnished and thing, well clean, you understand, but those sticks have a width about this, you know what I mean, yeah, about this size, and nothing look small, something. You get what I'm saying? Like I show you something. So like this microphone right here. Yeah, this is my YouTube microphone. Not using this one right now. I have others. But see about the width of this. You understand? The stick. So you see it round and thing, people. You understand? Yeah. So all of the not disrespecting any females now. But there are some females doing some crazy things right now, my people, which I'm going to talk about. You understand? So this microphone is not for no purpose to go on a tun-tun. No, you understand, because some female doing some crazy stuff right now. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, my people, a video was sent to the attacking boss, yeah. And in this video, my people, we tell you the truth, straight up. And so if anybody attack about NEWLINK, it take too long to get to the point, back off from now and subscribe, go about your business. And let me talk and entertain my viewers and my subscribers. One attacking boss, one team, one dream, one scheme. How? So, this video sent to my people. And I saw a woman in her position, people, Jassy and Jaja knows. Mr. She has sit down very high. I mean something long. No joke about it, people. I mean have to look up stuff. Look, we see it and put the yard up like that. And I see it. See it? When me look, people, she's bubbling. She's whining, people. Up, down, round around. Oh, yeah. People, not the people them what she find. Now the people them ask stick she find me, no know where she get it from people. But she depend it people, and me I tell her one at a time, you know. If he like, me I tell her she depend it people up in it. He did that because if she did get up and stand up people, you'd have see it up in the stretch so, go cross up. And she depend it people. And you know like it touch some in there, you know, like it touch a spot in the people and you go, ooh. And me say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And where the world really gone to my people. Eh? What the world really gone to. On a real and a serious level, my people. I'm not tell about no look a picnic. I'm not gonna say a whole man. See? And this female never looked like she looked deep. Boy, be on a real level. Say I tell myself I saw she desperate people and want something. See? Which me know say maybe finger out the work for her. Eh? But it better she did get one buckle. It better she did come some woman go down the market, got just 2 cucumber. I got just 2 banana. But she managed to take the people them stick. Maybe she take off the wall for the stick people or whatever. That should the own. That should the axe. And take the stick the people. And me I tell her say I good with stick, you know. And that's what she was dealing with the stick. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. What a piece of sin thing, my people. Eh? When me see the thing, my people, me have to stay back, me have to rock back, me have to look back. And me have to say, NEWLINK, attacking boss. Is this real? Attacking boss. Is this for sure? Am I really seeing what I'm seeing, people? But, honestly, my people, I'm not going to tell no one it's Jamaica. I'm not going to tell no one it's over Belize. I'm not going to tell no one it's over Africa. I'm not going to tell no one dear, where. Because what? It was sent to me and I don't know where. And I didn't hear when she was talking, people. She wasn't talking any language, only she was. And any woman can say, any woman can make them sound the when. Because with that, the piece of tick up in the tune people. Of course she can make sound. But she never talk. And me have said, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. She put the phone there. She recording it, people. Whatever site or what she recorded for somebody. But me I say, yo, so she desperate. You know the people them house. I finish house like at the pig pen part of the house she there. My world, my patience, yo. Some crazy things are going on, you know, people. Some crazy things are going on. That's all me can tell you, my viewers and subscribers. And some crazy people out there, because when I say things like that, people are crazy things. Real crazy something. I say the woman take the thing, people, and boy, this world gone a straight attack. Woman, any one of them then the intention a straight attack. Me not be so nobody want to say. What dirty thinking tick? Pickaxe stick. Look how much of that things out there could have choose. How much buckle, different shapes of buckles out there. Me not telling if you use the buckle, boy, did that better. But pickaxe stick. You want tick? Nah, man. Losing it. Boy? Big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, more blessings. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And follow the boss, the attacking boss on Instagram, my people. Check below in the description for the necessary links. You understand? And remember, people, NEWLINK Back to School Trip 2021. You understand? Support the thing, people. We have a PayPal link, we have email, we have phone contacts, so link up people and support the movement. You know what I mean? Or if you just want to support the attacking boss himself, you can give a contribution. Also, we also have our link, people. You can purchase our merch item. You want to get one of them bad NEWLINK shirt with them bad logo, your people. You pan in a man, straight attack, you know. You understand? You can get this, my people. Logo in the back of it also. You understand? You don't know, check the below in the link, people. You have phone case, you want to get the attacking boss phone case, attacking boss, all different type of things from NEWLINK. Go over there on the merch, coffee cup, and support the movement, people. Because you all are attacking family, you know. Remember, you are the attacking family. So you need the attacking family merchandise too. You understand? One link, one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Peace out.